EDAs, your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your device and handling the components inside. Start by powering off your Razer RZ09-0369 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this. The clips can be quite tight. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. After successfully removing the back panel, set it aside and take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior using a soft brush or compressed air. Now, you will see the battery and the screen connector. Disconnect the battery first by carefully unplugging it from the motherboard. This step is vital to ensure safety while working on the screen. If you feel uncertain about any part of this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Next, locate the screen connector. Gently lift the connector using your tweezers, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. Once disconnected, you can proceed to remove the screen itself. This may involve unscrewing additional screws that hold the screen in place. Keep track of these screws as well, as they will be needed for reassembly. With the screen removed, take a moment to inspect the area for any signs of damage or wear. If everything looks good, it's time to install the new screen. Align the new screen with the connector and gently press it into place. Reattach any screws that were removed during the disassembly process. Before sealing everything back up, reconnect the battery to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. Power on your device to test the new screen. If it lights up and displays correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you've confirmed that the new screen is working, carefully place the back panel back onto the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, give your device a thorough clean, both inside and out, to remove any fingerprints or dust that may have accumulated during the repair. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Razer RZ09-0369. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more technical guides. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.